Good morning, students. In this period, I am going to start exercise 2.2 of question number 3, polynomial. In question number 3, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. 3 number, px बराबर 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 when x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial. Here we have to show that x is equal to minus 3 is a zero of polynomial px is equal to 3x plus 1. So we put the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 3 on putting x is equal to minus 1 by 3 in px. P minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 by 3 is so it is verified. If the result will not be 0, then it will not be verified. To verify px is equal to 3x plus 1, if x is equal to minus 1 by 3, we put the value of x in given polynomial px. On putting x is equal to minus 3, we find that p minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Hence it is verified. Question number, px is equal to 6 number question, px बराबर lx plus m, px बराबर lx plus m if x is equal to minus m by l. To verify px is equal to lx plus m, on putting x is equal to minus m by l in px. P into minus m by l, p into minus m by l बराबर l into x minus m by l plus m is equal to minus m plus m is equal to 0. Hence it is verified. If the value of px will not be 0, then minus m by l will not be the value of px. So it is verified because the value of px is equal to 0. Verify the polynomial px बराबर lx plus m. We put the value of x in px, then p into minus m by l is equal to l into minus m by l plus m. L cancel, is equal to minus m plus m बराबर 0. Hence it is verified. That will not be 0, then it will not be verified. Question number 4. I solve 2 questions of question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following case. Answer 4. Polynomial px is equal to x plus 5. Px is equal to x plus 5. To find the 0 of the polynomial, we have px is equal to x plus 5. या px is equal to 0, या x plus 5 is equal to 0, या x is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is, so minus 5 is 0 of polynomial px. Similarly, we solve another problem. Similarly, px बराबर 3 नंबर, px बराबर we have px is equal to 2x plus 5. To find the 0 of the polynomial px बराबर px is equal to 0, या 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, या 2x is equal to minus 5 by transposition, या x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of polynomial px, because minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of polynomial, because if we put the value of x in px, the result is 0. Result will be 0. So minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. 0 polynomial px. One more problem. px बराबर cx plus d. px बराबर cx plus d. We have to find the 0 of this polynomial. To find the 0 of this polynomial, या px बराबर px is equal to 0, या cx plus d is equal to 0, या cx is equal to minus d, या x is equal to minus d by c. Hence minus d by c is a 0 of polynomial px. Because if you put the value of x in Px, verification, putting x is equal to minus d by c in Px, we have Px c into x minus d by c plus d is equal to minus d plus d is equal to 0. So minus d by c is a 0 of the polynomial Px. Now I hope that you can solve all questions of exercise 2.2, and in the next class will be very important class. So in that class I will prove remainder theorem. So this class will be very important, and you will read yourself, and I will describe in next class. Thank you.